Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.2 question number 2. State true or false. Let us find. Question number 1 is question number 1. Cube of any odd number is even. That is false. Why it is false you see here? It is false. Cube of any odd number is even. That is false. What is the reason? Reason is that when we find the cube of any odd number, cube of any odd number, we always get an odd number. Let us take an example. Let us take cube of 3. Cube of 3. 3 is an odd number. Therefore, you are getting 3 into 3 into 3. That is 3 3 is 9, 3 10 is 27, which is again odd. Which is odd. Right? Now we solve question number 2. Right? Now question number 2 is, a perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. A perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. That is true. Why it is true? Perfect cube. Perfect cube will end. Perfect cube will end. Perfect cube will end with a certain number of zeros. Perfect cube will end with certain number of zeros. Certain number of zeros. Certain number of zeros. Certain number of zeros that are always multiple of 3. Always multiple of 3. Right? Multiple of 3. For example, cube of 10. Cube of 10 is equal to 10 into 10 into 10, that is equal to 1000. That is equal to 1000. That means there are 3 zeros at the end. There are 3 zeros. 3 zeros at the end. 3 zeros at the end. And if we take another cube of 100, 100, 100 cube, that means it is equal to 100 into 100 into 100, that is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 6 zeros at the end. 6 zeros, 6 zeros, 6 zeros at the end. That means multiple of 3. 6 zeros at the end, and that is multiple of 3. 3, 6, right? Now question number 3. Now solve question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is question number 3. Question number 3 is if a square of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25. Question number 3, that is false. If a square of a number ends with 5, its cube ends with 25. That is not true, that is false. Let us take an example. This is false. It is not always necessary. It is not always necessary. It is not always necessary. Necessary. It is always not necessary that necessary that necessary that it is not always necessary that if the square of a number that if the square of a number the square of a number square of a number ends with 5 ends with 5 ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25. Then its cube ends with 25 with 25. For example, for example, for example, for example, for example, the square of 35, if the square of 35, if the square of 35, the square of 35 is square of 35 is 1 2 to 5, 1 2 2 5, 1 2 2 5, and the cube of 35 of 35 q35 is q35 is 4 2 8 and 5, 4 2 8 7 5. which does not end with, which does not end with 25, end with 25. That means it is false, right? Now we'll solve question number 4. Question number 4 is, let's solve question number 4 now. Solve question number 4. Question number 4 is, there is no perfect cube which ends with 8. There is no perfect cube which ends with 8. That is false. There, question number 4 is false. The question is, there is no perfect cube which ends with 8. The cubes, because the cubes of all the numbers, cubes of all the numbers which ends, all the numbers which has 2, in its unit place, will end with 8, will end with 8. For example, the cube of 12. For example, the cube of 12. 12 cube is equal to 1728, which ends with 8. Right? Therefore, there is no perfect cube which ends with 8 is false. Now question number 5. Let's solve question number 5. Question number 5 is, the cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. This is false. This is also false. There are many cubes which will end with 8. The smallest 2-digit number, false. This is false. The smallest 2-digit number, the smallest 2-digit number is 10. The smallest 2-digit number is 10, and the cube of 10 is 1000, which has 4 digits in it, which has 4 digits in it, which has 4 digits, which has 4 digits in it. Right? Now question number 6. Question number 6 is, the cube of a 2-digit number may have 7 or more digits. Question number 6. Question number 6 is false. It is also false. The reason is, the largest 2-digit natural number, the largest 2-digit natural number is 99, 99, and the cube of and cube of 99 is cube of 99 is 9 7 0 299 299 which has 6 digits in it, which has 6 digits in it, 6 digits in it. Therefore, you can say that the cube of any two-digit number cannot have 7 or more digits in it. Now, question number 7. Question number 7 is, the cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. That is true. True. For example, the cube of 1 and 2. The cube of 1 and 2. The cube of 1 is equal to 1 and cube of 2 is equal to 8. Therefore, it is true. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.